Welcome to the Dad Got Parks Rainy Day at Universal Vlog, Part 2.
I think they sing.
Yeah, let's try. Oh.
I think if you go from pad to pad, they do stuff. Are they doing Budweiser? Why doesn't the big guy talk? Oh, that's why they have a dryer. You would get very wet there. Mama Luna. No, this is not Encanto.
Oh, I know that guy.
Wrong park. I don't even know what this is from.
No, these are just cats in general.
But it's got to be from DreamWorks. We're in DreamWorks Land.
No, but this has something to do with this.
Okay.
Allie, what's that little spinning thing?
Oh, you shot the cat. Hit the yellow one. Oh, it bounces the ball.
Oh, it's pointing to the piano again.
They do.
Allie, they have shoes.
Chef Kitty. That one's getting a massage.
Somebody needs to ring the bell. Right here, Daddy. Behind you is the bell.
Leche time. So it is Puss in Boots. That was Puss in Boots' voice.
Bottoms up, amigos.
You're controlling the red ball. I think because of the rain, this place is empty. DreamWorks Land is dead empty. There is nobody here. What?
That's like that.
Well, you were playing.
There she goes, Daddy.
It doesn't do anything. They have Brozone stuff. Let's go train for some Kung Fu. Whoa!
You're gonna get wet if you walk down there.
Wow.
Dad,
That's why they have dryers.
Dad, this is only a water soap.
No, there's a Kung Fu thing over there.
Try it.
Yes!
Yeah!
You did it!
Let's go see Poe. Okay, this is a missed opportunity. How are they not selling noodles?
Don't you worry. Okay. Ling-ling! How about a little pre-workout snack, huh? Everybody knows you can't work out on an empty stomach, right? Huh? Definitely not. It'd be crazy. Okay, let me think. Noodles, definitely. Dumplings, at least 12 on the side. Little cookies and with the little wrappers on them. And there you go. And then, whoa! Whoa! Hey! What's going on? You must be the new recruits. How you doing? Good. She said, let me just pop a little squat here. On the front of the max. You good?
Yeah.
Is it still raining?
Yeah.
Checking the weather.
How much longer we got?
I can feel it. I can feel the dew of the universe. Hey everyone! Welcome in. You guys that just walked in, I like your invisibility cloaks. I can still see you though. You gotta get those checked out. All right. Welcome everyone. I, of course, am Poe, the Dragon Warrior. And today, today is a special day. Master Shifu has asked yours truly to teach all of you Kung Fu. Oh, also, before I forget, I'm supposed to be babysitting my cousin Ling Ling, and I kind of lost her. So, if you guys see Ling Ling anywhere, can you do me a favor and shout her name out for me? You guys mind if I make a little snackage before we get started? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What happened? Hey, my little friend in the yellow jacket shirt. Did you throw something in here? No? Okay. I'm watching you. Okay. I'm gonna throw in a little vegetables, make a little stir fry. You guys mind if I make a stir fry?
No.
No? Nice. Everybody knows stir fry makes some of the best pre-workout snacks. You know, it's full of nutrients. This is a dumpling. Oh, I love dumplings. You guys like dumplings?
Yeah.
Dude, dumplings helped me learn Kung Fu. Really. So, I'm gonna dump this dumpling right on that stir fry. Don't tell Shifu, by the way. If he asks, the dumpling's full of vegetables, okay? What are your favorite vegetables? All of you sitting on the floor.
Broccoli.
Broccoli? That's a good one. I love broccoli. Broccoli's good. It's very nice. This is, oh!
That's a radish.
She said grapes.
Grapes.
What is that?
Both of those answers are technically not vegetables. That's all right. Grapes are great. They're great. But I don't know, work on it. This is a beet. You guys walking in, welcome. You arrived just in time to see me drop a beet. You know what I mean? Trust you. Whoa, whoa. Oh, hey. Ling Ling, you want some stir fry? It's got carrots and... Hey, my little friend down here that said grapes. What's your favorite fruit that you like to pull out of a tree?
What's your favorite fruit? Grapes.
Grapes? All right. Everyone, we're going to do a little stretch.
We really like
Stretch
grapes.
way up high and say grapes. You guys feeling loosey-goose? After some stretch, let's say noodles. Oh, yeah, that's a good stretch, too. Okay. All right, let's all touch our toes and say, I don't know, stinky tofu. Let's say stinky tofu. Ready? Stinky tofu. Oh, feeling the burn. Ah, yeah, that's good. Really feeling that one. Oh, you guys feeling good? Feeling the stretch for this stuff? Oh, no! My bowels are burning! My tail is toasting! Oh, okay. Oh, you guys. Yeah. Anyway, let's do some Kung Fu, huh? Are you guys familiar with the Furious Five?
Yeah.
The most legendary warriors of all of the Valley of Peace of all of China? Okay, I'm gonna teach you some Kung Fu that I learned from the Furious Five, starting with the legendary Master Viper. You guys know Master Viper? That's a really nice, that's a good crane kick you did there, my friend that's back then earlier. All right, this right here is the Master Viper Kung Fu technique. You get a wide stance. Let me see. Good, good. And now here's the thing. Master Viper is a snake, so she's low to the ground. So you get low, and then you make your arms like snakes. When you attack your opponent, you go just like that. Oh, nice. Okay, do it again. You guys catch on quick. Master Mantis, the small but mighty Master Mantis. You put all of your weight on your back leg. You get real low because it's teeny tiny. Then you make your hands into his little little pincer things, you know what I'm talking about? And when you strike your opponent, you go, hi-ya! Nice. Do it again. Hi-ya! Okay. Hey, listen. You guys are doing a really good job. I think you're ready for a little challenge, a little pop quiz. You down? Here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna call out the names. Let's see if you can keep up, huh? Yeah. All right, let's do this. Hit the music. All right. Keep doing your toes. Keep doing your toes. I'll be ready. Let me see. Viper. Monkey. Ha. Ha. Mantis. Hi-ya. Hi-ya. Wow. Give yourself a round of applause. That was awesome. That was so good. Wow. Listen. I think you're my best class of the day so far. I'm gonna give it to you for reals. I hope you have a good time today. Yeah! Let's have some of this stir fry. I'm a little starving. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye.
At this point in the video, I just want to say thank you to each and everyone who is a member. Your guys' support means a whole bunch to us. You're the best. Thanks for watching part 2. If you missed part 1, I'll throw a link up for that. And if not, go watch part 3. If it's up. If not, watch something else. And Dad still doesn't do outros. Still not even in part 2s. Nope, not gonna do it.